on Amiga computers.
The programs are incredibly easy to learn. Like I say, I'm not literate as far as computers go, but I taught myself on the Amiga. Within about a month, I was up and running.
Sandra Goody creates full-page graphic backgrounds, which broadcast a wide variety of information for Rogers Business Channel.
I would recommend the Amiga, not only because of business programs. I mean, that's certainly one aspect of it. You've got word processing programs, yet you also have this wonderful artistic tool. So if you're inclined both ways, then it's the perfect computer to have, either in business or as a home computer, and it's affordable.
Tom Lee Music has opened an innovative new store designed to lead musicians in new directions. Guiding the way is the Commodore Amiga.
Well, I think when you ask a musician what the future holds for him is probably the assimilation of more computer technology and video technology into his palette. The Amiga was designed from the ground up as a multimedia machine. Anybody in the industry now can pretty well recognize that multimedia is the next step in several different areas of high technology.
The Mandela program is a perfect example of multimedia. The camera shoots the hand, which triggers computer events, in this case, MIDI instruments.
What makes the Amiga unique to us at Tom Lee is the fact that it neatly addresses the worlds of video technology, music technology, and computer graphics all from one central workstation.
The Commodore Amiga is the multimedia machine. It's compatible with CD-ROMs and Laserdiscs, making the possibilities of interactive video unlimited.
Without the Amiga, you wouldn't be seeing this video at all. We've created the entire thing on it.
Commodore is at the forefront of multimedia with its innovative authoring system, Amiga Vision. It's powerful and simple to use, combining all the elements no matter what your communication needs.
By having the Amiga, it's allowed me to be a composer.
The thing about the Amiga is you can really achieve any look that you want.
It's the next generation of Amigas that will continue to expand the boundaries of desktop video. And the new Amiga A3000 will revolutionize computers in the video world.
I think the favorite thing about the Amiga for me is the fact that basically I've been able to do everything I wanted to do on it.
I'm learning something every day, new ways to stretch the computer to do something it wouldn't do before.
Ask your authorized Commodore dealer for more information and a demonstration. Put the Amiga desktop video systems to work for you. Commodore Amiga, the video solution.
That's it. Bye, folks.